Good morning, students. Yesterday we completed linear differential equation and Bernoulli linear differential equation. Dear students, we observed from variable separable and homogeneous and non-homogeneous and the linear DE and the Bernoulli DE. These are all first order and first degree differential equations. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the method of inspection. So, this is also students, this is method also we can apply to solve the differential equation of the first order and first degree. So some techniques some techniques are there, students, in this method. So dear students, please observe and concentrate only the about method of inspection. It is to understand very difficulty when compared with the variable separable and homogeneous and non-homogeneous and linear and Bernoulli. So this is the only for competitive only. Okay, students, this is for use only for mains and advanced point of view. So the small techniques are there in the differential equation. Just you can identify it. The sum will be very easy. Okay, students. So right now the first one is, students, the derivative of x plus or minus y. Dear students, this is the dx plus or minus dy. This is the first technique, students. When you got the derivative of x plus or minus y, when you can observe the students, the d of x plus or minus d of y, then you can write directly. When you observe the d of x and d of y, you observe, you can write a derivative of. Okay, students, how to you can write derivative of x plus or minus y. So this is no problem, students. Simply you can derivative of x is there. How can you write the x derivative? Or when you can apply the integrals, derivative or cancel, directly we got x. This is no problem. Just you can some more are very difficult. So the derivative of, dear student, the derivative of x plus or minus derivative of y, you can write derivative of x plus or minus y. The another technique, students, when you can apply the derivative, when you can apply the integral, derivative integral cancel. This is the dx, this is the dy. Okay, students. After that, the another technique, the students, 1 by 2, the 1 by 2 into derivative of x square plus y plus or minus y square. What is the, students, here? That is the undoubtedly, students, x dx plus or minus y dy. My dear students, this is, you can find the derivative of x square. Everybody know that. What is the derivative of x square, students? 2x. Therefore 2 cancel x. The derivative of x is the dx. Dear students, when you can observe the x dx and y dy, undoubtedly you can written as this is the derivative of x square plus y square. Okay, students, x square plus y square. Now the third technique. The third technique is the, students. So just you can identify derivative of x square 2x, derivative of x is the dx. The third technique is, the students, the derivative of xy. What is the, student, the derivative of xy? We have to know that x into dy, y into dx. This is important. This is the one of the very important technique, students. X dy y dx is there in the integrals. Suppose is there, students, x dy y dx is there. How to find the integral, dear students? Just you can write the derivative. Here also there some x. Okay, students, x dx is there or x square dx is there. How to write the, students, here? Just, dear students, you can observe this is the derivative of xy, this is the x square of dx. When you can apply the integral, undoubtedly we can cancel these two. The xy equal to x cube by 3. This is my advice. The x dy y dx is there. Undoubtedly you can directly write derivative of xy. Okay student, this is the fourth technique. Okay, write down students. Now the next one students, fourth technique. The fourth technique is the students, the fourth one is there, dear students. The fourth one we can written as the students, the derivative of logarithm of xy. How to write the students? How can you observe? This is when you can observe the xy and x dy plus y dx. Undoubtedly we can take the derivative of log of xy. What is the students? The derivative of log of xy is the 1 by xy x dy y dx. When you can observe x dy plus y dx by xy, you can simply write the derivative of log of xy. Okay students, now the fifth technique. The fifth technique is the students, you can write simply the derivative of, dear students, minus 1 by xy. My dear students, this is, you can write the derivative of 1 by x is, we know that minus 1 by x square, that is the minus of minus plus x square y square, that is the x dy y dx. This is the students x dy y dx. When you got x dy y dx upon x square y square is the derivative of minus xy. Okay students, are you understand? The next one is students, how can you write the next one is the derivative of y by x is there. Dear students, the derivative of the y by x. The derivative of y by x is the students x into dy minus y into dx upon what students? Upon x square. This is x dy minus y dx. When you can observe, dear students, x dy minus y dx by x square, undoubtedly you can write derivative of, you can observe students, this is the u by v, x into dy minus y into dx, v square is the x square. My dear students, the one more thing is, how can you write the derivative of the fifth one? Dear students, the derivative of x by y. When you can observe students, the y square, you can observe y dx minus of x dy. What students? The y dx minus x dy by y square. Then you can write the derivative of x by y. This is the student y into derivative of x dx minus x into derivative of y dy upon y square. So when you can observe in the question, the x dy dx minus x dy by y square is there, you can write the derivative of x by y. Okay students, dear students, the derivative of minus 1 by n minus 1 into xy power n minus 1 equal to x dy plus y dx upon xy whole power n. This is the student sending to the numerator. After you can, this is the xy power minus of n minus 1. Dear student, minus minus plus n minus 1 cancel. The xy power, dear students, n minus 1 plus 1. Undoubtedly, dear students, we got minus n. That is the, we can sending to the denominator, that is the plus n. The derivative of xy is the x dy y dx. Okay students, now the one more thing is students, the derivative of log of x by y. Dear students, the ninth one, the derivative of log of x by y. What students? The derivative of log of x by y. How can you write the students the derivative of log of x by y? Okay, so we can observe the students. Dear students, the derivative of log of x by y is, how can you write this is students? The derivative of log x, 1 by x by y. So now this, dear students, the derivative of x by y, we know that y into dx minus x into dy upon y square. My dear students, 1 is cancelled. We can written as the y dx minus x dy by xy. Okay, students. Now the another one is, students, the derivative of, now the one more thing, the 10th result, students. How can you write the 10th one? The 10th one is the, students, dear students, what you are looking, we are looking about the sir explained about the derivatives. Don't think that, students. You can observe the right hand side is any term is y dx minus x dy by xy is there. You can directly write the derivative of log of x by y. Suppose is there, students, the derivative of log of y by x. Dear students, this is, you can write x into dy minus y into dx upon x by upon xy. I am requesting you all, in the dE is there x dy minus y dx by xy. Undoubtedly you can write that directly, that will be the log of y by x. What, students? That is the log of y by x. X dy minus y dx by xy. Okay, dear students, the one more thing is the derivative of students, tan inverse of y by x. What, students? The tan inverse of y by x. My dear students, what we concern, the tan inverse of y by x is there. My dear students, the derivative of tan inverse x, we have to know that the derivative of tan inverse x is the 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. My dear students, the derivative is x into dy. Okay, what is the derivative of y by x? X into dy minus y into dx upon x square. You can write the here, when you can observe x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square. My dear students, when you got x square plus y square, is there x? You can write y by x. This is the y by x. Dear students, we can observe here, where is there beginning with x? This is the log of y by x. Okay, student, is there beginning y? We can write log of x by y. Similarly, dear students, how can you write the derivative of, simply you can write the derivative. What is the right technique? The right technique is, the students, we can apply the technique of derivative of tan inverse. The derivative of tan inverse of x by y. My dear students, you can observe the, students, y dx. Simply you write y dx. Yes, students, we can write y dx minus of x dy upon x square plus y square. My dear students, when you got x square plus y square, is beginning is there by x by y. When you can observe x square plus y square, beginning x is there, you can write tan inverse of y by x. So dear students, the denominator is xy is there, beginning is x, log of y by x. Beginning is y, log of x by y. My dear students, what is the technique here? The y square is there, we can write x by y. X square is there, y by x. This is the, student, 1 by x is there, 1 by x square. The derivative of 1 by x, we have to know that the derivative of minus of 1 by x is the, this is very easy. Log of xy, you can write simply xy, the derivative of x dy plus y into dx. This is, my dear student, some techniques, and another techniques I will explain. Just 1 minute, students. Now the another inspection, students, the derivative of 1 by 2 log of x plus y by x minus y. Dear students, the derivative of 1 by 2 log of x plus y by x minus y is the, students, x dy minus y dx. X dy minus y dx by x square minus y square. This is the, students. How can you find this one? How can you find, dear students, the derivative of 1 by 2? Now we can we can know that we know that log of a by b, log a minus log b. Dear students, log a minus log b. The derivative of, dear students, the constant is the 1 by 2. The derivative of log is 1 upon x plus y. The derivative of x dx, derivative of y dy. Dear student, the derivative of this is 1 by x minus y. The derivative of x is dx. The derivative of y is minus dy. My dear students, we can take the LCM is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. My dear students, first we are all multiple with x. This is the students x dx, x dy. Now we have to multiple with minus y. Minus y dx, yes, minus y dy. My dear students, now the first multiple with dear students x. This is the students. How can you write this is minus of, first you can write multiple with x, x dx minus x dy. After students, we have to multiple with y. This is the y dx minus of y dy. Dear students, what is there? Here you can observe x dx are cancelled. And also, dear students, minus of y dy is there. What is students? Minus of y dy. This is the student, the last term is y into dy, y dy, y into dx, y dx. This is the x into dx, x dx. Okay students, now this is the minus y dy, minus of minus plus y dy. Dear students, this is x dy, minus of minus plus x dy. You can write simply 2x dy, 2 cancel, x dy. Dear student, this is the minus y dx, this is also minus y dx, minus 2y dx, minus 2 is the common, minus y dx by x square minus y square. Dear students, when you can observe the log of x plus y by x minus y is there, you can write the students x into dy minus y into dx upon x square minus y square. That is the one technique students. This is the students, it is the one of the easiest one. 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. We have to know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x square plus y square. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of x is the dx. Derivative of y square is the 2y. Derivative of y is the dy. Okay students, 2 is the common, 2 cancel. X dx plus y dy upon x square plus y square is there. Undoubtedly dear students, that is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. Then you can directly, when you can observe in the differential equation, the x dx plus y dy upon x square plus y square is there, we have to take the 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. That's why I am explaining, today I explain more time. This is the only the reason. When you can observe the x dy plus y dx upon x square plus y square, undoubtedly here there is no way to find a variable separable or linear or homogeneous. So this is the way, only the method of inspection. We solving the differential equation, only the apply the method of inspection. Okay students, so this is called the derivative of 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square is the x dy plus y dy by x square plus y square. Dear students, some more techniques are there in the differential inspection method. So right now I will take one example. Okay students, I will explain the some more are techniques also there. I will explain in the next class also. So today students, I will take one example in the method of inspection. So how to write the students? X y power 4 into dx, y into dx minus x into dy. My dear students, here we can observe y dx minus x dy is there. Dear students, here is beginning with y. Now students, my observation is the students here, the divided by y power 4 first. This is the x dx, y dx minus x dy by y power 4 equal to 0. Undoubtedly students, one is given that in the either JEE Mains or advanced, if the differential equation is in the inspection method, undoubtedly you have to think 1 minute. Okay students, it is to find, already I explained, it is to observe very difficult. So right now students, we can observe the x into dx. Okay, we have to know that y dx minus x dy by y square, we know that. Dear students, we have to know that about this. Therefore dear students, this is the x dx. How to write the students? This is 1 by y square. Dear students, this is the formula of x by y. My dear students, this is the derivative of x by y. Since y into dx minus x into dy by v square, you have to compare with u by v. V into derivative of x dx minus u into derivative of y dy by y square. My dear students, just you can observe here what happened. So when you can apply the integral, but nothing is happened. So just you can 1 minute, is 1 by y square is there. Now multiple with on both sides x square. That is the students x cube dx plus x by y, x square by y square. This is the derivative of x by y equal to 0. My dear students, what is taken here? On both sides multiple with x square. So dear students, now apply the integral on both sides. That is the students x cube dx. Okay, now the students, the integral of x by y whole square, then the derivative of x by y equal to 0. My dear students, just 1 minute. When you can apply the integrals, integral 0 is nothing but 0. My dear students, here everybody know that this is the form of x power 4 by 4. My students, when you can take an t, in the rough we are taking the t, x by y is that t square, this is dt. So dear students, suppose we are taking the x by y is the t, the derivative of x by y equal to dt. My dear students, x by y is the t, the derivative of x by y is the dt. So we can write the students the t square dt. This is t square. What is the integral of t square is? The integral of t square is t cube by 3. Therefore that is the students the t cube by 3. What is the t cube is? My dear students, the t cube is the x by y whole cube equals to c. Okay students, this is the solution. My dear students, I will take one more question. Here this is the students log y dx. Please concentrate students. So there is a small technique is there, just you can identify that one. So that is the students, here x into dy, x dy. This is minus log y dy. Dear students, when you are divided by y, this is on both sides, log y dx, x by y dy. My dear students, the log y by y dy. In this step, I have to do only the divided by y on both sides. Y cancel, x by y dy, log y by dy. Everybody know that we have to know the integral of this one. Then you can take the log y is t, 1 by y dy is the dt. Dear student, this is the t square by 2. That is nothing but log y whole square by 2. What about this? Dx is there, dy is there. My dear students, when you can observe, this is the first two terms. My observation is this is the x log y derivative. When you can apply the by parts uv method, dear students, when you can derivative of uv, first log y into, my dear students, the log y into derivative of x is the dx. Okay students, that is the first one. First you can take u this one, log y, the derivative of x dx. After you can take x into, yes, x into derivative of log y, 1 by y, derivative of y dy. Okay students, this is the uv, log y into derivative of x dx, the derivative of log y, 1 by y derivative is dy. So this can be minus of, dear students, we can write How to write this is ns of log y by y dy equal to 0. Dear students, apply on both sides integrals. That is the students, the derivative of x log y. This is students minus of log y by y dy equal to 0. My dear students, the derivative integral cancel. This is the x log y. So dear students, what I explained, the log y, when we are taking the t, the derivative of log y 1 by y dy, the derivative of t dt. So my dear students, the 1 by y dy is the dt, this is the t, integral of t is the t square by 2, that is the t square is the students log y whole square by 2 equal to c. This is the students, the x log y, yes, x log y minus log y whole square by 2 equal to c. Okay students? My dear students, what a wonderful question is there. The x dy plus y dx, the a square x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square. Dear students, just you can check in your mind, it is a variable separable undoubtedly. We can't separate the x and y. Here x dy is there, y dx is there. It is not a homogeneous function. The degree 1, here the degree is 2. And we have to know that the three non-homogeneous equation must be in the constant is there. There is no constant. And one more thing, it is not a linear d. Dear students, when you can divide it by this one dy by dx, how to there here including x square and y square? It is highly impossible. Dear students, when you will understand, these are not a variable separable, not a homogeneous, it is not a non-homogeneous, it is a linear d, it is not a linear d, then you can check in your mind how to solve this differential equation. Only the one way, that is the method of inspection. What is the right technique here? Dear students, we have to know that this is the derivative of xy. Yes or no students? The derivative of xy. Yes, this is the derivative of xy. That is x into dy plus y into dx. My dear students, we have to know that the x dy minus y dx upon x square is there. You can directly write the derivative of y by x. Is not there x square? So we can do here the x dy, this one and this one, both are divided by x square. My dear students, so this is the x dy minus of y dx upon x square. My dear students, what happened here? So just you can observe the students, x square is the common, 1 plus y square by x square. My dear students, when you can observe here, x square is a common, that is enough. So in the next step, what we do? The a square, the x dy minus y dx upon x square. You can write the students 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. My dear students, the derivative of xy, a square, the tan inverse of y by x. My dear students, we have to know, already I explained the right technique, the tan inverse of y by x. Just you can find the derivative of tan inverse of x. What is the student, the derivative of tan inverse of x? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. The x square is the y by x whole square. Now find the derivative of y by x. The derivative of y by x is the u by v, u into dv, that is x into dy minus y into derivative of x dx upon x square. This is the derivative of tan inverse of y by x. So then you can apply the integrals on both sides. My dear students, the derivative of xy equals to a square into the derivative of tan inverse of y by x. Okay students, my dear students, we can apply only the integral. You can write the Yes, a square is a constant. You can write outside of the integral. Dear students, the derivative integral cancel. We got xy. Here also the a square. The tan inverse of y by x plus c. This is the technique, my dear students. Here, just you can observe the given question, given differential equation. There is a no way to variable separable. So how can you write the students here? The first multiply the multiplication with dx minus xy dx x square y square dx. Okay students, is there? Yes. 1 minus xy x square y square and x cube y minus x square. Now students, here this is x cube y minus x square dy. Okay. Now students, here we can observe. What students we observe here? When we are taking the dx first, dear students, is there dx? So dear student, this is the minus x dx, this is minus. The minus are two terms are there. When we are taking the minus x is common, dear students. This is the y dx, this is the students x dy. Yes or no students? Now this is the students, is there xy. My dear students, when we are taking the x square y, what is the remaining students? When you are taking the x square y, undoubtedly, dear student, this is the y dx. Already we taken y dy. Already taken we are y. Already taken also x square. This is the remaining is x dy. X into x square x cube. Here this is the students y into y square. Now students, what happening here? This is the dx minus x into derivative of xy. X square y into this is also students the derivative of xy equal to 0. Now students, is xy is there, here also xy is there, but here x square y there, here only x is there. Now students, so listen here, the entire one, here this is xy. Now students, this is the xy. Now we can multiple with y here, this is xy. This the complete one we have to multiple with y. What students? We have to multiple with only what students? We have to, when you can, dear students, when you are complete one divided by x. Suppose dear students, we have to multiple with y. This is xy. This is x square y square. No problem at all. But is there y? How can you find the y dx? Are you understand students? But suppose here we have to multiple with xy student y. This is y. Xy is t. This is dt. This is xy is t square dt. But is there y? How to evaluate the y dx? It is highly impossible. So students, the divided by x on both sides, undoubtedly this is the students dx by x minus derivative of xy. This is the students, when you can divide it by x, this is the xy derivative of xy. So there is a possible either divided by x or multiple with y. So but when you can multiple with y, there is a small difficulty is there. When you can divide it by x, undoubtedly we can evaluate the d. Are you understand students? This is dx by x, x cancel, one time x cancel. Now applying on both sides integrals, the dx by x minus integral of derivative of xy. This is the students. How can you apply the derivative of xy? Derivative the xy into derivative of xy. Everybody know that students. The derivative of 1 by x is log mod of x. The derivative of 1 by x is log mod of x. Yes, it is log mod of x. The derivative and integral cancel. This is the minus of xy. Dear students, when we have taken the xy is the t, the derivative of xy equal to dt. Now this is the when you can take t, This is the dt. T dt. What is the integral of t dt? T square by 2. When you can take, this is the t, this will come dt. T dt. Integral of t dt is the t square by 2. That is the t square means, dear students, xy whole square by 2 is the c. Are you understand, students? This is the log x minus xy whole square by 2. When you can, this one be taken t. Okay, students? My dear students, solve the equation y into xy plus 1 into dx plus x into 1 plus xy and x square y square dy. So dear students, first we can multiply with dx, here dy. Once again I read the question, y into xy plus 1 into dx plus x into 1 plus xy, x square y square dy. Dear students, this is y dx. What is there, students? Y into s. First you can multiply with y, students. This is x y square plus y. X y square plus y. My dear students, first x into 1x, x square y, x cube y square into dy equal to 0. Now students, multiple with here the x y square. This is the y dx. What, students? X y square dx. Y dx is there. My dear students, x dy, x square y dy, x cube y square dy. So x y square dx, this is the y dx. Okay, students? X dy, x square y dy, x cube y square dy. My dear students, the middle terms, this is the y dx, this is the x dy. Just you can write y dx, x dy. These are put in bracket. Now the first and fourth term, just you can observe, students, what is the common is xy. Therefore, when we are taking the xy, dear student, is there y dx. Yes, is there y dx. Okay, students? Now xy you are taken, the y dx. What is the dear students? The xy is the common. What is the remaining is x into dy. This is the, dear students, when you are taking the xy from the first and the last fourth term, that is y dx, is there x dy. Dear students, one more term is remaining, that is x cube y square dy. My dear students, this is, we have to know that the derivative of xy, yes, x into dy, y into dx, yes, the xy into, my dear students, this is also the derivative of xy. It is no problem. When you can apply the derivative, integral cancel. When you can take t, this is the dt, this is no problem. The first two terms are we completed. We have to think only the last term. How is it? Dear students, how to complete that one? Is there. The small arrangement is there. That is, we can equal the powers x cube y cube. Okay, students, we can into y is taken and by y is, in this case we have to take into y and by y. Okay, students, y one time cancel, there y square. My dear students, when you can apply the integral, we have to know the dy by dy. What about this one? We can divide it by x cube y cube. My dear students, this term and this term, every term is including xy. Therefore, you can write the derivative of xy upon, we can write xy by whole cube. Now, dear students, one time xy cancel, the derivative of xy by one time cancel, we got xy whole square. What is the, students? Xy whole square. So xy whole square. Dear students, this is the dy by y. Dear students, understand? We have to divide this term here, xy by xy whole cube. This is the derivative of xy by one time cancel xy whole square. So now my dear students, now we can write applying on both sides integrals. Now we can apply the integrals. Dear students, when you can apply the integral, this is the integral. Yes, integral. We have to know that directly the 1 by y is log mod y. This is the only we know that 1 by y is the log mod y. What about these two? When you can take xy, my dear students, xy is the t, the derivative of x, this is dt. What students? Xy equal to t, the derivative of xy equal to dt. dt by t square. The dt by t square. You can apply the dt by t square is, what is the integral dt by t square is? We can send into the numerator. This is the t power minus 3. The t power minus 3 plus 1. Okay students, minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 2. The integral of 1 by t cube is the minus 1 by 2 t square. T square. Then it is sending to the numerator. Then you can apply the integral of x power n is the x power n upon n plus 1. When you can take in the t, this is dt by t cube, that is minus 1 by 2t square. T square is the students xy whole square. My dear student, this is also minus 1 by xy. This is the minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. My dear students, this is log mod of y equal to c. Now this is multiple with minus on both sides. We got this is plus 1 by 2 xy whole square. This is 1 by xy minus log y equal to minus is nothing but c or c1. Okay students, this is the solution. So my dear students, first you can multiple with minus, that is the 1 by 2 xy whole square, and another one is 1 by xy. This is the minus log y is given that c. Okay students, so please concentrate about the method of inspection, how to use the techniques. Okay students, tomorrow I will explain some more questions about the method of inspection. Okay students, this is today. Please watch the videos and prepare the notes regularly. Thank you all.